Also, NumPy arrays can be multiplied and divided by scalar integers and floats. Let's take an example to multiply an array by an integer number. Here in this example, you will find that we have multiplied the array that we created by 4. This means that every element in this array is multiplied by the number 4. 1 multiplied by 4 equals 4. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. And all the outputs are put into a new array, as you can see, as a final result for this mathematical operation. It is very simple. In the same way, we can multiply two arrays also. Try to use the same method for the division operation by yourself. Now let's move on to another concept. Let's move on to the dot product operation. NumPy array can be multiplied by each other using matrix multiplication. These matrix multiplication methods include element-wise multiplication, the dot product, and the cross product also. Let's take an example to show the use of the dot product in action in NumPy. Now let me tell you how this example works and where did this output come from. Simply, this operation works as follows. The first item in the first array multiplied by the first item in the second array plus the second item in the first array multiplied by the second item in the second array plus the third item in the first array multiplied by the third item in the second array plus the fourth item in the first array multiplied by the fourth item in the second array. It is very simple. 1 multiplied by 10 plus 2 multiplied by 20 plus 3 multiplied by 30 plus 4 multiplied by 40. And the output is equal to 300, as you can see. Okay. Also, you can use the exponents. The exponent function from the NumPy library produces element-wise e to the power x exponentiation. Let's take a simple example to make everything clear to understand. For this array called A, e to the power 1 is equal to 2.7. e to the power 2 is equal to the second item 7.3. e to the power 3 is equal to 20.08. For the last element, e to the power 4 is equal to 54.5. That's it, very simply. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.